The sticky keys prompt that sometimes come in your PC can be a real pain, especially for some games. So I'm going to show you on this tutorial how you can remove it so this don't come anymore and annoys you anymore when you want to play your game. To start with the tutorial, you want to right click into the start button and go into the settings. On the left side menu, you're going to see the option of accessibility. Click on it. On this new tab, you want to scroll down until you see the option of keyboard. And right here you have the sticky keys. As you can see it, I have it off, but if you click on it, it's a small sub-menu that you can change some things. And this one right here is the most annoying one of all. That press the shift key 5 times to turn sticky keys on or off. And this is what happened to me a lot of times playing Minecraft. And I'm playing with mods and I need to wiggle to take some stumps in some mods. That is really a pain. So you can turn this off right here and you are finally not going to have that annoying prompt anymore in your PC. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to do it. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to drop a like into the video and to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, reviews, and a lot of things that I do on this channel. Thanks for watching, my friends. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.